Alrighty folks, camera is almost dead, so we're gonna see how it goes. But hopefully we can get this whole Z500 ride in before it dies, because I know a lot of people are gonna be interested in this one. But I'll try to relay as much info as I can in a short amount of time, just in case it does die. Alrighty, getting going on the Z500. I think it might feel a little bit smaller than the Z650, but I'm not too sure. Could be just a little bit smaller, but I also am not riding them back to back, and I just got off the Vulcan S, so it's gonna feel kind of weird. But a good little power out of the 450, man. Feels really good. Like I said, my camera is almost dead, so just in case it dies, try to tell you as much as I can about the bike, or at least about how I feel about it before it does die. But it feels just like the Z650, but with the smaller engine, 450 instead. It doesn't actually feel a whole lot slower, but definitely more tame experience. Good bit of power for a 450 though. I mean, roll onto it in fourth gear, and she's just got what you need. I like this 450, man. It's a good little engine. Plenty easy to toss around. That thing revs so easily. Excellent throttle response out of these Kawasaki's. I'm over revving it a little bit on these downshifts. Pretty smooth engine. Very easy to ride. I can tell you guys, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and recommend it already, because I mean, even the 650s I would recommend for a first bike, as long as you can be responsible with it, because that 650 can definitely get away from you, but it's not too bad if you're a more responsible rider. Maybe if you're coming from dirt bikes or something and you just want a first street bike, that 650 is an absolute delight. Definitely recommend checking this out if you're looking into a small displacement, sporty naked. And if you want something more upright, the Eliminator is pretty solid as well. Yeah, man, I love me a good naked bike, and this is no exception. She gets the job done. Yeah, this is a very nice bike to ride. Hopefully if my camera does die, I can hear it shutting off.